What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So today, a topic of conversation was surrounding Shibarium. Obviously, we always talk about Shiba Inu. We find a way to talk about Terra Luna Classic. We talk about the popular projects, but we were mainly focused on what Shibarium would do for Shiba Inu, because a lot of Shiba Inu holders are hoping that Shibarium does something more. Right? I've had plenty of videos where I've talked negatively, I've talked positively about Shibarium. I don't know what's going to happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But the one thing that we can do is try to break down whether we think Shibarium is going to be effective, and then obviously be able to feed off of that information there. So um, the big conversation that we had was really surrounding Shibarium, how it will work, also if it will burn a certain amount of coins and if it will burn enough. Will there be enough projects that are listed on there to burn enough? And also the process, will it kind of push people away from investing in Shibarium or being a part of Shibarium if there's some sort of fee or tax that goes with Shiba Inu? So I kind of wanted to clear that up and talk about what it's going to be. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. I have my other channels down there, which I'm starting to post a lot to. I have my golf channel, I have my NFA channel. I'm posting a lot of crypto news on the reaction channel, so feel free to check that out. We're going through articles and different things so that we can learn more within the crypto market and what's happening. Because there's a lot of news that's out there and we need to be aware of what's going on. So anyways, like I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Check out some of the links that are down there, especially the referral links for all the different platforms that you guys can trade cryptocurrency on. So I'm getting a lot of notifications right now, and it's kind of bothering me. Let's talk about Shibarium. That's what we're here for, right? Shibarium, we know as a layer 2 platform, is supposed to do a lot for the different positions that are a part of the ecosystem. That's why it's created, right? It's created because Bone was used as a gas fee. It's created because Shiba Inu is going to be used as a form of burning, but we don't know if there's going to have any other use cases, underlying use cases to it. And you're going to see other things that are also tradable on it as well. Now, just recently, we got information saying that it's not only going to be on Shiba Inu trades to where Shiba Inu does burn. Anything that's traded on the platform will have a burn associated with it, which brought to a lot of people's attention, like, why would I want to trade on that platform if I'm going to have a tax associated with it when I can just trade those coins on another layer 2 platform to where I'll just have whatever fee is associated with that? Well, it's kind of a different story here. It's kind of different in how you look at it. It's the same concept, but it's just, instead of a tax, it's part of the base fee. So for let's say Loop Ring will have a base fee that you end up paying that may be really cheap compared to what you would have in a layer 1 platform or a layer 1 solution there. The same thing would go for Shibarium, to where you would pay a base fee. Let's say it would be 25 cents. You would pay that base fee. And within that base fee, a certain amount would go towards burning off Shiba Inu. Now, the things that we don't know is what the base fee will be, and I guess it depends on how much you trade, but what the base fee will be, and also how much of that the percentage of the base fee will go towards Shiba Inu. Will it be 5 cents? Will it be 10 cents? Will it be 50% of the base fee? Who knows exactly what's going to happen to burn off Shiba Inu? We also don't know how it's going to be applied, if it's going to be an automatic burn or if it's going to be something that builds up and they have to burn it themselves, right? So we don't know a lot of different information, but I can tell you that we are going to see a base fee instead of a tax that's associated with it. So you're not going to see, whatever the fee comes out, and then you're going to see a 1% tax for Shiba Inu. That's not the case. It's not going to push people away because of that. So that's kind of addressing one piece to it. You won't see any people that are trading Ethereum or any other coin be pushed away because of the base fee that's associated with it. No, people are going to swap. They're going to move things around. They're going to do everything in order to hold what they hold, and they're not going to pay that much in order to do so. Now, I also wanted to understand as to what the volume is going to be, because I don't think all of Shiba Inu's volume is going to go over there, right? You may see $1 billion that happens in volume, or 100 million that happens in volume. I would assume that 10 to 20% of Shiba Inu's volume will flow over to Shibarium, right? You're still going to have the on ramp for, let's say, Coinbase and all these other platforms, but then sending it over to this new platform to trade it back and forth and move it around is probably going to be a different story. Or if you have Ethereum or something and you move it over to this platform to swap it for Shibarium, it may be a different story to do so there. And so with that being said, how many coins do you believe will be traded on this platform? Now, that's where we kind of had to go online to see how many layer 2 platforms there are, how many layer 2 projects there actually are. So you have Polygon, you have Loopring, you have I can't say that, Abtrum, let's say that's what it is, Optimism, OP, you have Mutable X, you have that chain, and you have ZK Swap, you have Scale, you also have, I guess, Shiba Inu that you can trade, a Bone Leash, and all of those that you can trade on that layer 2 platform. But are these all going to be tradable on that platform as well? Does that mean that we can trade them, but they won't have any type of liquidity associated with them? It's just you're swapping for them on that platform as well. And I would imagine that would be the solution. That would be where we're headed. So a lot of volume would also flow from some of these other projects to create more of a fee for Bone, to create more of a fee for, the burn for Shiba Inu. So it could essentially burn trillions if you see a lot of volume that flows through it. Now, again, it all depends on these variables that take place. We don't know all of the coins that are going to be added to this platform. We don't know how much volume is going to go through with all of the coins that are added. We don't know how much volume it's going to be for Shiba Inu and Bone alone, right? I didn't mean to rhyme there, but I did. So it's definitely something that's catching my interest and a lot of others' interest, but it's making me think that maybe we won't see, as much volume in Shiba Inu and all these levels, but we may see a total amount of transactions that do go through quite a bit on Shibarium. So only time will tell. We can't sit here and just speculate all day. Only time will tell what will actually happen. And we're trying to give you as much information as we can with the information that we have. But then again, it's all still speculation. It's not 100% real. And some people are just like, I don't know if I believe that it's going to have any type of an impact. And you may be right as well. I'm not going to say you're wrong. I'm not going to say I'm right. I'm not going to say I'm wrong. I'm not going to say, the opposite, whatever. Right. So I'm just trying to make sure we have all the information possible and weigh all of the outcomes. But with more volume, we can definitely burn trillions and burn it consistently rather than seeing, the inconsistency that we've been seeing with all the burn methods now. So anyways, you let me know what you're thinking, because this is definitely something that I didn't want to make a video on, but then I knew that there was a big discussion that happened on it. So I kind of have to get your perspective on it. What do you feel like the volume is going to be like for Shibarium? And a better question is not how much the volume will be in dollar figures. How many transactions do you believe that we will see go through Shibarium? Because that's what really matters. How many transactions we see go through this platform. But anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about all of the links that are in the description for my Patreon, for my Twitter, for my Instagram, for the different referral links that you can have there for KuCoin, Coinbase, maybe Coinbase is down there, I'm not sure. Crypto.com and Webull. You can check out those. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.